Hello, my name is Ben. I'm with Fresco Windows Summit Products. This video is instructing how to remove and reconnect the motor hook assembly on a peak window. This instruction applies for both B-van and a coach. The motor hook can be located here as a cap and the hook underneath it. For ease of using, the window is laying on a table instead of in a coach. My assistant Carolyn is going to now remove the cover cap off the hook, remove the hook, and then place the hook back in so it's easy to understand.
Alright, I will go on the side to remove the cover. It should come right off. And to remove the key, I would open the window slightly to give you more room. And just wedge your flathead in there and pull out that black cover, and your key is out. Remove this as well.
No, we're not going to do
And to
at this point, this is called we call this the shuttle. This is where the key or the hook sits in. In most occasions, there'll be a motor line that will connect to this, but it's not necessary at this stage. Where there's also going to be a metal flange that is not currently present in this window, but the steps that Carolyn is taking to put this back in are the same steps you'll be taking when you do this instructions. With that.
Alright, put the key back, same thing, slightly open the slider. And try to put it in there. Sometimes if it doesn't go in, you might want to use a flathead and give it more room until it's in that little hook right there. Once that's in, you put in the splat piece, and there's two little hooks, and you just align it with that space the key has. Once you got that, grab your cover, go underneath it, align these two hooks with that space right there. Just push it with your flathead.